Fire-Boltt introduces a new rugged smartwatch, the Sphere, in India. Last month, Fire-Boltt launched the Cobra rugged smartwatch in India. And now, the homegrown company has introduced another rugged watch called the Sphere. This one has a sporty look and comes with Bluetooth calling, multiple sports modes, and more. Have a look at the details below. Fire-Boltt Sphere, specs and features. The Fire-Boltt Sphere has a metallic chassis, which is shockproof and supports an IP68 rating for water and sweat resistance. It has a 1.6-inch HD circular display with 600 nits of brightness and a durable layer of glass. The watch also has a dual chamfered crown and comes with skin-friendly straps. There's support for hi-fi speakers for a clearer Bluetooth calling experience and comes with the option to make and reject calls and access the recent call logs. As for the health features, you get a heart rate sensor, a SpO2 monitor, and a sleep tracker. There are around 22 sports modes to track various physical activities and even record the steps, calories, and distance covered. The Sphere smartwatch is backed by a 600 mAh battery, which can last for up to 8 days on normal usage and up to 25 days on standby. Other features include remote music, camera controls, an alarm clock, a stopwatch, weather updates, smart notifications, reminders, and more. You can get water drinking and sedentary reminders too. The Fire-Boltt Sphere also supports around 6 menu interfaces, more than 100 cloud-based watch faces, and more. Price and availability. The Fire-Boltt Sphere is priced at 2,999 rupees and competes with the Boat Wave Electra, the Noise Fit Force, and more. It will be available to buy via Flipkart, Amazon, and the company's website. The watch comes in black and green forest colors.